Hello, Richard speaking, Eagle 6 Airsoft. I'm going to be doing a testing video on this HK416 NGRS. We've got to make sure it's all working well after the build. We've got our Eagle 6 upgraded M90 Plus spring in there. We've got the Psionic R-Hop kit, number 6. We've got the Prometheus Tightbore barrel, 275mm. We've got the Eagle 6 upgraded recoil spring. We've got the FPS spring guide. We have the Prometheus hard gear set. We've got the Prometheus ball bearings. We've got the FPS carbon fiber piston, the FPS piston head, the FPS cylinder head, the FPS cylinder, and the Gate Titan expert module. We've got the there's one battery we're going to be providing, and the Dean's bar kit for the conversion kit for the stock, just to move over to a Dean's connector. And I believe that's it. We've also installed the Laylax trigger pin, which is on here, so it has to be installed after the Gate Titans go in. Turn the page with one hand. Yep, that's everything. So we've done our range testing and we've chronoed the gun at 268 feet per second, and we've tested on 3.2s, and that'd be our recommended ammo. So we're just going to do some stress testing now. So this would be a level 7, so for anyone else looking at recreating the build. There we go, so all tested. It's a motor in, that is on the TM motor there with the gate MOSFET, and the 18:1 gears, so that is going some. Yeah, we hope you enjoy it. Obviously everything's been increased, you know, obviously power, accuracy, trigger response, rate of fire. Yeah, we hope you enjoy it. Thank you.